Fuzhou Zhengcheng Security Silco Ltd. We are a high-tech company that integrates research and development, production, and sales. We have obtained multiple honors such as provincial and municipal high-tech enterprise certificates, and has multiple intellectual property certifications and invention patents. We have a complete technical team for independent research and development, manufacturing, and production. Using advanced 3D printing technology to accelerate sample making and product manufacturing processes. Dozens of fully automatic injection molding machines form an efficient production line, accurately controlling each process, saving manpower, reducing errors, and increasing production capacity. With energy-saving and low-carbon technology to ensure product quality, we create a safe and reliable large-scale production solution for you. Multiple fully automated production lines can operate without human supervision. End-of-pipe quality control. After manual quality control, the produced products enter the next processing step. Stepping into a spacious and bright modern production workshop, advanced equipment is arranged in an orderly manner, emitting a technological glow in ample light. Intelligent system, precise control, efficient operation of automated production lines, reasonable spatial layout. Smooth logistics channels, significantly improving production efficiency, reducing errors, bringing a qualitative leap to product quality, fully demonstrating the power of technology empowerment. Under the strategic planning of a professional management team, the factory is a bustling yet orderly scene, accurate team scheduling, reasonable allocation of resources, and tacit cooperation among employees. Advanced equipment operates efficiently, and every process is strictly controlled. From raw materials to finished products, we carefully inspect every step and use craftsmanship to create quality, providing customers with impeccable and high-quality products. We provide you with high-quality products. Look forward to your visit and cooperation.